Safety and efficiency are some of the reasons why LNG is gaining popularity as an energy choice worldwide. Worldwide consumption of natural gas has grown by more than 26%, vis-a-vis 15% in consumption of oil. But the most significant reason for LNG's growing use, it is one of the cleanest fuels available to mankind. There is minimal impact on our environment from its production, shipment, and combustion. Of all the fossil fuels, LNG produces the least emissions of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, and negligible sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxides. In fact, LNG is even cleaner than traditional natural gas because sulfur, mercury, and other polluting trace elements are removed before it is reconverted. It therefore burns more cleanly than other fossil fuels like coal or oil and leaves almost no ash particles after burning.